In this video, I'll show you how to listen to Spotify songs offline, iPhone or Android. First, open the Spotify app and sign in to your account. Keep in mind that offline listening requires an active Spotify Premium subscription. Next, find the songs you want to listen to offline. If the songs aren't already in a playlist, tap the three-dot menu next to each song and select Add to Playlist. Create a new playlist or add the songs to an existing one. Once your playlist is ready, open it and tap the Download button at the top. When it's complete, you'll see a download icon next to your playlist or songs. You can now listen to your downloaded music even when you don't have an internet connection. If you don't have Spotify Premium, you'll need to upgrade your subscription, as offline downloads aren't available with the free plan. And that's how you can listen to Spotify offline.